Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer Outboard. For power, we've set the boat up with the twin V12 600 horsepower Mercuries. You have a nice full swim platform so you can board from either side of the dock. You have the gray sea deck matting. As we make our way into the cockpit of the boat, you'll see the boat is outfitted with the Infinity woven carpet liner. Here at the wet bar, you have designated storage for your trash can, refrigerator, grill, and freshwater sink. Nice wraparound seating, and this backrest does fold down to give you an aft-facing seat as well. Interior color scheme here is the stone interior, which gives you the light gray with darker gray trim. Aft-facing speakers, nice, big extending sunshade. Follow me up to the helm. As we make our way up, you see we've got this nice big overhead opening skylight. This boat is outfitted with the joystick piloting system, which gives you skyhook and also has autopilot integrated in there. Nice wide helm seat, tilt wheel, dual 16-inch Simrad screens at the helm. This space is temperature controlled, so you do have heating and air conditioning at the helm as well in this full enclosure. Opposite the helm seat, you have a nice double wide companion seat with a flip up footrest. One of the really great features of the 370 Sundancer is this nice big glass window that closes up to complete that full enclosure. And it's a really easy door to put up because it is gas strut assisted. Now we're on the bow of the 370 Sundancer. As we make our way forward, you've got a flip up backrest to give you close forward facing seating. This will lay down to give you a nice full-length lounger with flip-down armrests. U-shaped seating in the bow of the boat. Nice teak inlays that surround your cup holders. And you've got a designated anchor locker, which is a through-hull windlass, as well as a freshwater sprayer here at the forward part of the bow. Now we're down in the cabin of the 370 Sundancer. One of the really nice things about this 370 is your electrically actuated forward berth. Allows us to put a little bit bigger berth in here, but also converts down to give you a nice dinette space. Very easy to convert. Nice wraparound seating. You have a movable table here that will also second as a footrest. Overhead, you've got a really nice skylight that gives you natural light and gives the cabin a much more open and airy feel. On the port side is your wet bar and galley with microwave, refrigerator, and freshwater sink. This boat also has a nice mid-berth with plenty of headroom, storage, and additional place to sit. Here's your head compartment. It's equipped with a vacuum flush head, over 6 feet of headroom, as well as a partition to keep your shower and head separate.